Tired of unfair competition on Amazon? Fight back with this simple reporting trick. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 3 pro tips to help you get these unethical sellers removed. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire and stay a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. So first, you need to find a product that's not as described. And there's a lot of products that are like this, and here's one right here. It literally says it's the color pink, and we can see it's the color blue. It says color pink, and they're selling a blue Swiss Army knife. It even has a 1-star review, so this one's going to be very easy to get removed. Step 1 to get it removed is you just need to go to brandregistry.amazon.com, sign up as the same seller email that you use and password that you use for Amazon Seller Central, and then you're just going to need a trademark, so make sure you enroll a trademark. Then you'll get access to all of these tools to contact brand support. You're going to contact brand support, and you're simply going to click report a marketplace policy violation product not as described. Once you're here, you're going to click subject. You can type in your subject, it's literally not as described, and then describe the issue. Just describe it to Amazon that the listing says it's the color pink, but the picture is showing the color blue. So you could do this. The listing says it is the color pink, but the images are blue, right? And then you can also just click on one of the images and show this. This is a violation on Amazon and confuses the buyers on Amazon, providing a bad experience. Something like that, right? You want to make sure it doesn't have any grammar or spelling errors, but it can be that simple, right? Especially if it's this simple. You're going to put the ASIN. The ASIN starts with B as in boy right here. Put that in here. Put the seller name. The seller name is going to be down towards the bottom. So it says sold by Brandstorm USA LLC. So you're going to put that in there right here as a seller name. The URL, simply just copy the entire URL, paste that in. And did you complete a test buy? We're going to be talking about that later. But if you did complete a test buy, put that order ID down. Now, once you get to this email part, you can put in your phone number. They usually will not call you, but you want to add those attachments. So you want to add an attachment that literally shows, get your snipping tool, and you just take a screenshot of this and literally highlight. It literally says pink here, says pink here, says pink here, but the color is blue. So you want to make it very easy for Amazon to open it up and be like, wow, this is completely a violation. Let's get them removed. And then Amazon will remove them right away. So make sure you provide all that data, including screenshots, and then submit that. Now, for staying towards the end of the video, this is going to be my 3 pro tips to help you get these unethical sellers removed. And tip number 1 is going to be actually doing that order, well, that test buy. So tip number 1 is doing the test buy. So did you complete a test buy? You're going to want to put the order ID in. So if my email is josh@gmail.com for Brand Registry, so I log into Brand Registry, it's josh@gmail.com. I want to go to Amazon and make an Amazon buyer account that's josh@gmail.com. Then I'm going to add this to cart. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to wait for it to get delivered. I'm going to take screenshots and say, look, Amazon, it's actually blue. I'm going to go to my orders, copy my order ID, and then I'm going to provide that to Amazon. So Amazon actually knows I purchased the product. And yes, it is blue. It's not pink. So that way Amazon is going to remove the product. This is going to increase your chances of getting the product removed by 90%. So a test buy is my pro tip number 1. Pro tip number 2 is try to find the exact Amazon policy that they violated. So if there is a policy that they violated, make sure you put that in here. So put that, here's my order ID. Also, here's the policy they violated, right? So you want to put that policy they violated if there is a policy. So maybe if it's new, or if it's sold, it's used, right? So try to look through Amazon's policies and see if they violated any policies here, and then list that policy. And then my final tip is going to be following up and escalating. So right when you submit this, you want to check on it every single day and follow up. Hey, is there any update on this? So you can go to the brand support case log to follow up and triple check on this. And also, if it is denied, you can escalate a previously submitted issue. So you can say, hey, look, this shouldn't have been denied. I have actual pictures. I did a test buy. It was delivered. Here's the screenshots. And this is going to help you get a second look on getting them removed. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to the channel because we're giving out great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help removing fakes or anything to do with Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. Our #1 service is our full account management, where we manage your account A to Z, your inventory, customer service, advertising, increasing your sales, expanding internationally to Walmart, eBay, Etsy. Contact us about our full service management today. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.